Hey guys, John Mark here with ZPortals. Today we're going to discuss a little bit about layout rules and how we can show or hide different modules or fields within the portal based off of a customer's status or type, for example. So oftentimes we work with our clients at different stages in the customer lifecycle, and we may want to show different tabs, modules, fields that are relevant to the stage that they're at in their work with you. So to do that, we have the ability to customize profiles in the portal. So if we head on over to user management, one of the tabs that we have available is profiles. So you can set up profiles, and we offer, I believe, an unlimited number of them, not that you need that many, but you can go ahead and within a particular profile, you can define exactly which tabs show up in the portal for that particular user. So you can show or hide whole modules as shown right here. And then within a particular module, much like the CRM, we can pick and choose what fields that profile can see or edit, delete, etc. So to do that, if we head on back to customization, let's go in and drill into the contacts tab over here. If we want to limit what fields a particular profile can see within the layout builder for that module, we can head into our record view. And over here, if we go ahead and click on these little dots, maybe we don't want them to be able to edit an email address. Then for each profile, we can define whether that particular profile has read write, read only, not to show it, or make that field editable. So this is quite handy if you want to just that showed whole modules to a particular user group once they've been successfully onboarded. Perhaps there's certain fields that you may want them to fill out during onboarding, but then once they've been onboarded, you want it to be view only. We can make that change. Now, you can actually affect that change from the CRM itself. So I'm going to go ahead and head into the CRM and show you how we can connect a workflow rule to change a customer profile in the CRM and show or limit their permissions here in the portal. Okay, so here I am on a contact record in the CRM. And what I wanted to point out is we have this field called assigned profile that's added by the ZPortals extension in the CRM. And as you can see, it's a single line field, and you can use a workflow rule to populate the profile that you want that user assigned in ZPortals. So a great way to do this automatically is if you have a deal belonging to John Smith here. Once that deal closes and you perhaps change the contact type to client from prospect, we can then assign this user a client profile. Or perhaps we want to actually invite him to the portal once he becomes a client. We can do that as well by updating this portal invitation sent and selecting the auto approve. So combining some CRM actions like closing a deal, you can automatically invite that user to the portal by updating this field and auto approving and assigning the particular profile. Just make sure that when you do this, that you follow our knowledge-based documentation to connect those fields to the portal. And specifically where you would need to do that is over here. If we go to the main menu, we're going to head on over to user management. I believe that we're going under settings. And over here, this is where you need to map the CRM field with the appropriate items over here. And that will allow the system to pick up on those changes from the CRM record to make sure that we're inviting, activating, deactivating, and assigning the correct profile to that user, including their user permissions. So thanks a lot, and we'll catch you on the next video. Cheers.